So hello students, so today we'll do question number 2 and 3 of exercise 10.1 chapter 10 mensuration. Now in question number 2 what we have, a lead of a rectangular box of sides 40 centimeter by 10 centimeter. That means the length and breadth of a rectangular box is given. Fine. So now what you have to find out? You have to find out what is the length of a tape required to measure the entire length. Okay, to measure the entire length of a rectangular box, what is the total length of tape you require? So how to start this question? You will write it down. Length of rectangular box is equals to 40 centimeter and breadth of rectangular box is equals to, it is given 10 centimeter. Okay, now what we have to find out, suppose if you have to find the length, this is a rectangular box, suppose you have to find the total length of this box. So what we have to find out? Obviously we have to find out the perimeter of the box. Fine, so we'll write it down. Perimeter of rectangular box, that is equals to 2 length plus breadth. Okay, this was a formula we discussed earlier also. So now in place of length we will write 40 centimeter and in place of breadth we will write 10 centimeter. Fine. So 2, you will give the bracket. In place of length, what did I say? We will write 40 centimeter and in place of breadth we will write 10 centimeter. Now we will solve this bracket first. So 2, if there is no sign in between 2 and bracket, that means there is a multiplication sign. Now what will be the answer of this? 40 centimeter plus 10 centimeter, it would be 50 centimeter. Now finally we have to multiply this. So 50 to the 100 centimeter. So therefore the perimeter of a rectangular box is 100 centimeter. So this is the solution of question number 2. Now let's move on to sum number 3. Now let's do question number 3. Now let's see what is there in question number 3. A tabletop measures 2 meter 25 centimeter. So suppose this is a tabletop. Suppose this is a tabletop. Okay, this is a tabletop. Fine. Now the length is given 2 meter 25 centimeter and the breadth is given 1 meter 50 centimeter. 50 centimeter. So this is breadth and this is length. Now they have asked find the perimeter of the top of the table. Fine. So this is in the shape of rectangle. So we'll use the formula for rectangle. So before that we have to write length of rectangular top, that is equals to 2 meter 25 centimeter. Now the problem is that in this value we have two units. So we have to change it into a singular unit. So what we will do is that we will try to convert this into the centimeter form first. That means we will convert this 2 meter. How to write this? In this way. 2 meter 25 centimeter, you can write in the way of 2 meter plus 25 centimeter. Now 2 meter equals to 200 centimeter. As we know that 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So 2 meter would be equals to 200 centimeter. So the answer would be what? 225 centimeter. So the length of the rectangular top is 225 centimeter. Similarly, we will write the breadth. So breadth of rectangular top, that would be equals to what given? 1 meter 50 centimeter. So 1 meter 50 centimeter can be written as 1 meter plus 50 centimeter. Now again in place of 1 meter we can write 100 centimeter plus 50 centimeter. So that would be equals to 150 centimeter. Okay. Now we will find out the perimeter of a rectangular tabletop. That is therefore perimeter of a rectangular tabletop. So that will be what? Again we have to write the formula 2L plus B. Isn't it? 2L plus B. Now put the value 2 into what is the length? Length is 225. What is the value of breadth? 150. And this is centimeter. Now what we have to do? We have to add this. So 2 plus first 150 is what? 375. 375 centimeter. So now if you have to multiply this, then your answer would be 750 centimeter. Fine. So now if you want to give the answer in centimeter form only, then also it is right. And if you want to convert this again in the form of meter and centimeter, so what you have to do is you have to divide this whole value by 100. Okay, by 100, and you have to write meter here. Now in rough what you have to do? See, here I am doing. So when you will divide 750 by 100. Okay, 750 by 100. So their first answer would be 100 7s are 700. And your remainder is 50. So 7 would be meter. So answer would be what? 7 meter, and your remainder would be centimeter form. So that is 7 meter, 50 centimeter would be your required answer. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 3, students. Now we have time, so let's move on to sum number 4. So now let's do question number 4. Now in question number 4 we have, what is the length of the wooden stripe required to frame? That means we have to make a wooden frame for a photograph, and the length and breadth of the photograph is given. That is, again, this is a photograph. Suppose this is a photo given. So here is some pictures is there. Okay, so you have to make a wooden frame for this photograph. Now the length of the photograph is given what? 32 centimeter. So suppose this is a length this time. So we'll consider this as length 32 centimeter, and this is 21 centimeter. Breadth is given. Fine. So the length and breadth is given of a wooden of a photograph. Now you have to make a wooden frame all around the photo. So what will be the total length of the wooden frame, they are asking. So again we have to find the perimeter of a photo, so that if we know the perimeter, that is the total length of the photograph, so it will be easier for us to know that what length of wooden stripe is required to make a wooden frame for this photograph. So what is the statement? We will write length of photograph. Length of photograph is equals to 32 centimeter, and breadth of photograph is given 21 centimeter. Now what we have to find out? We have to find the total length of the wooden stripe. So we'll write required length of wooden stripe. Therefore required length of wooden stripe, that is equals to, we'll use the formula of rectangle, perimeter of a rectangle, that is 2 inside the bracket L plus B. Now in place of length we will write the value of length, that is 32 centimeter, plus in place of breadth we will write the value of breadth. Now we'll add this. 2 into 32 centimeter into 21 centimeter would be what? 53 centimeter. And 53 into 2 would be 106 centimeter. So this is the required length of wooden stripe to make a wooden frame for this particular photograph. Okay, so that's it for today's session, boys. Thank you so much. God bless you and take care.